It's a new month and it's nearing the end of the year. How did that happen? So it is the perfect time when we really need to check on those keywords that are selling on Etsy right now. We need to learn what the trends are. And thankfully, eRank has pulled up the monthly trends, that is the trending terms that were hot for the past month, so we can get an idea of where the market is, and it is quiet. We'll get into that later. But I haven't even really looked at these, so I'm excited to see what the top trending terms are. This is my eRank expert account. Although I also work for eRank, videos on this channel are my own. I'm just using eRank because I use eRank. There's lots of data here, so why not use it? So this is under trends, monthly trends tool, and I'm showing the data for September. This is the last full month of data because we are in October. I always go through the top 20 first of all, and then we dig in and have a look at what could be cool. And I'm already seeing something a bit interesting. I thought there might be a change because there's been a change in how Etsy is showing trends, showing searches. So yeah, this is interesting, but these all look like very high numbers, like very high. Anyway, so at number one we have full decor. I don't think I've ever seen that. Now decor's always in the top, but full decor was number one at full 250,000 views. Sapphire birthstone. Congratulations for you birthstone sellers. Press on nails, that has been a good one, but it's definitely looking better than it's been in a while for sure. That is interesting. Number four is Charlie Kirk. Sadly, there's good reasons that one's shot out of nowhere. I would not be jumping on that bandwagon at all. Number five is jewelry with a little sign saying it was hot. It's hot right now as well. And this one at least has some search results all through the month as well. These aren't zero, they're just so small in comparison to the big spike. But yes, jewelry, that, yeah, last November it was about the same as what it is this year. Now, yeah, so it might be about to get even higher, but jewelry is looking good. Badge reel, I have no idea even what that is. Pet costume, woohoo, Halloween things, modern gifts. That's a new one to the search for sure. Earrings, again, hot. K-pop demon hunters. That's been in the top 20 for a wee while. Can't touch it though. It's IP infringing. Well, it's owned by somebody else, so yeah, I wouldn't be doing that. Halloween is looking good. In fact, let's see, where was that? September last year was higher. It's down a bit. It's still popular, but Halloween is not as high as it was. Interesting. Number 12. Now, this is a cool one. Car accessories. Don't know why people are suddenly coming to Etsy and looking for car accessories, but nice to see. Labubu clothes. Again, this is a trademark term. It's a little bit iffy as to, I mean, Labubu, who is it, the creator? I can't remember. It was an artist that created this good 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago. And there's so many fakes that now fakes are called lafufus. I don't think they are capable of taking down everything that's out there, but if they're protecting their IP, Etsy as a marketplace is a really easy place for them to find people to take down, so I wouldn't risk it. Wallet has shot out of nowhere. Jan over on eRank often talks about places, years, forgetting words, years being leather years or not. But wallet, for leather makers or all sorts of crafters, wallet's quite a nice little niche to get into, actually. If you can make wallets, surely you can make like glasses cases or lots of similar things. But most people currently still need a wallet, even if we don't carry money anymore, we still need something. Full gift, interesting for sure. Engagement rings is at number 16. 17 is Halloween decor. 18 is tarot reading. That's an unusual one for the top 20. 19 is stickers, and 20 is psychic reading. There is something weird going on with this search, definitely. So now there's a few of these I don't want to dig too deep into because this trend is already past. Full decor is going to be, you want to be thinking of Christmas decor now, holiday decor, everything else. Birthstones, if sapphire, I assume sapphire is the birthstone of this month. Maybe look at other months' birthstones and think about that, but it's rare for that to get a peak like this. I'm guessing Etsy did something on the homepage. Press on nails has been popular for yeah, we've not let's do it. I was gonna do some other things. Press on nails has been good for years. Let us dig in and see what the deal is with press on nails, if there's anything we can find that's kind of cool. Something, I mean, that I'm wary of spikes like this can mean Etsy's done something on the homepage. But if Etsy's done something on the homepage, perhaps Etsy is thinking that press on nails are cool again. And I'm seeing every video I watch, people are using, people have these press on talons. These are my real nails. You can tell by the mud under them. But people are liking long nails again, and very decorative nails. So yes, if Etsy's putting it on the front page, it could be that it's a trending thing. They know better than us. Click-through rate's good. Now that competition is big. I mean, I'm going to say, right, 136,000 competition in the US. Actually, if this number is correct, there's more people searching than there was listings. So that's very, very, very rare in the top. So it's already a kind of good niche to be into. I am very surprised. I don't know what's going on here, but hey, it's good. Um, Now, so we're going to look for, in fact, yeah, we're in this one. Oh, and yes, if we look at the other things here, highly converting. This means people are searching and buying. Good. And it's trending in search. Yep, we know that. It's hot just now. So press on nails is interesting. I was going to look at lots of other things, but I think we need to dig into this. So let's narrow down the competition, although I think just press on nails is a good thing. And look at the seasons. Look, you want fall trends, you want holiday press on nails, you want gifts of press on nails, animal press on nails. You can jump on just about every style with that because people will be buying it. Is leopard print trending again just now? Make leopard print, or pretty flowers, or you can do the works. But let's go. So we want competition of less than 50,000. That should be reachable. And then let's search by what's been hot this month. Okay, interesting. Did I just say Halloween? So, if you were going to be making press on nails, now if this isn't your niche, don't go running away. This is what you do for anything. If you find a top level keyword in your category, so press on nails is the thing that you're going to be making. It's not the keyword you're aiming for because it's too competitive. You want to know what kind of press on nails. So the same with whatever your niche is. Is it rings? Is it t-shirts or whatever? And then you drill down like this. So we've got rid of all the really high competition ones. If we click by that, it's showing us the top searched in the last month. So we get the really hot ones just now. Now, yeah, Hello Kitty, that's IP, that's trademarked. Can't be using that. Could you do cats? It's Halloween. Would some people like cat themed press on nails? Bet they would. Did I just mention Halloween? I did indeed. People are looking for that. Now you're going to have to move quickly for Halloween nails because it's coming up soon, so it has to be something you can make and ship pretty soon. But it's good to have in the back of your mind, although it's not as massive. But last year, people were searching for it as well. This year, they're searching a lot more. This is a nice little niche. But look at what's getting off there. Press on nails short. Some people don't want the massive talons. Now, this is press on nails. This is a trend that changes. Sometimes you want big stiletto nails that look like they're weapons. Sometimes they're curved. Sometimes they're short. Sometimes they're long. Trends change. So people were looking for short ones. So there could be somewhere you can stand out. Not so many people sell short press on nails. Join in that niche. That's a good one to jump on, definitely. Fake nails, yes, we know they're press on nails. This is just terms to put in your tags, really. You're not going to make something different. If you're making press on nails, they are fake nails. Short press on nails, interesting. So yeah, short press on nails. What did have some search volume? Yeah, I like that. And then the shapes, almond shaped, so short almond shaped nails. And not just that, you don't just have to make one thing. You look at this and go, I want to make some in different lengths. I'll do some that are short. I want to do some in almond shape. You don't do your whole shop based on one thing. You try that. Charms. Now, if this is your niche and you do create something like this, not only can you look at this and say, oh, people are looking for stuff with charms in them, if you're buying lots of really, really cool things, you can also make kits for people doing this. Can you sell? I don't know if you can sell like the glue and things. There'll probably be rules about that for sure. But can you sell a kit of some nails to be decorated, some decorating tools, and some nail charms? Or can you sell some of the nail charms? Can you become the supplier, making little kits, perhaps little tutorials? That's a possible little side project. Handmade press on nails. Again, people are really looking. Autumn nails. Goodness, nobody's ever searched for that before, but people seem to be looking for specific things. Full decor, autumn nails. Yeah, so look at the season. If you're seeing autumn nails, are you thinking winter nails, holiday nails? And is it easy to think up designs for that kind of thing? Snowflakes and Christmas trees and candy canes. Knock yourself out, have some fun. Custom ones. Now we're coming up to the holiday season where Etsy pushes custom and personalized things. Can you offer custom work? Doesn't have to be too complicated. People might just want their colors, or think of what you're going to offer them, basically. Don't just do, oh, I can do anything you want. You can say, I have this style. We can personalize it with your own colors. Simple. Or personalize it with giving them the options of what charms and stickers and things can be added. Oh, red 3D press on nails. So red nails, is that coming back a colour? I think it will be Christmas time colours, but are the vampy talons coming back in? Halloween press on nails. Cute. People have been searching for cute things for a little while. Kawaii. I mean, did we not just see Hello Kitty at the top? So you can't use Hello Kitty, but can you make your own cute designs? False nails? Again, if you're looking for fake nails, press on nails, just think of all the synonyms as well to pop into your tags. Iridescent press on nails. Oh, and that's got 2 months. It's been good with very low competition. So if you have that option, it looks like that iridescent look is out there. In fact, yeah, we've got 2 search terms and iridescent blue press on nails. Can anybody do that? Press on nails printable. I don't even know what that is. And elegant, full press on nails, glue on nails. So different words for the same thing. Y2K, that is still up there. People are still interested in millennium fashions. I'm not going to try and say that. Wedding nails, yeah, forever popular to have things like that in your shop. Vampire press on nails. Fantastic for Halloween, yeah. We said, is there flowers? Are there cute things? Orchids, very strange. And now, as we go down further, we're getting into things that aren't so much searched for, but tortoiseshell, full white press on nails. Now, would that tie in with wedding press on nails? It would indeed. Queen of Hearts. That's interesting. Alice in Wonderland is in the public domain. So if you're not trying to copy the Disney type aesthetic, you could use that. Oh, star press on nails, star, aurora borealis, northern lights. Galaxies are a little bit coming back. I was gonna say, like, some people like still like the trend, and then I'm just going, galaxy nails would be beautiful. Yeah, fantastic. People were even still a little bit searching for summer press on nails. But that's an idea of how to dig down into the things a little bit. Now, just one last wee thing. I'd looked at this red 3D press on nails and I thought, what even is this? So, a little thing you can do. I don't know if we'll get good results because there's such little competition. I think maybe this was a weird search or something Etsy had done weird. But we can have a look. If you're not sure what something's like, you can go into the top listings. Um, okay, yeah, so it's 3D press on nails, as in they have a design like strawberries are coming out of the nails. I should have known that. But people were searching for specifically saying the 3D press on nails. Yeah. Spider lily. Yeah, so it is the shapes that always makes me think I'll just be catching my hair in it all the time, but I'm terrible. Yeah, so people are wanting 3D. In my head I was going, are they 3D printed or something? So you can use this top listings thing to have a look. And so if you're not really sure what something is, like if you're a 3D printer, you're going, hey, are people buying 3D printed press on nails? I don't even know if that's a thing. But you can come here and have a look and look at the top listings and go, no, that's not really what people are looking for, is it? So it's good to be able to do that to understand what things are. But yeah, I think hopefully that's helpful. That's something a little different that we don't normally look at. The keywords are interesting. People are saying views are down, sales are down, and they definitely are. But it seems that people are searching for some very different things. It's very strange. So let me know if you've suddenly seen a spike in views from a weird keyword. Let me know in the chat, or don't. I know people are precious when they found a cool keyword, and I don't blame you. But I hope it helped seeing how you can drill into those keywords as well.